Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to get started with Heygen AI, an AI video generator. Heygen is a cutting-edge video platform utilizing the capabilities of generative AI to simplify video creation process. Produce your spokesperson or digital teacher videos effortlessly, comparable to crafting PowerPoints. Heygen serves as an AI video creator, enabling you to transform text into spokesperson videos through typing. Stick around until the end to discover how even beginners can leverage its capabilities. But before we get into the specifics, let me provide you a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let's get started with our tutorial. Embarking on your journey with Heygen AI involves several straightforward steps, starting with a visit to their official website. Once you are there, a conspicuous sign-in button awaits, inviting you to kickstart your creative venture. Heygen AI provides flexible options for account setup, allowing you to seamlessly proceed with your Google or Facebook credentials or opt for the traditional email registration. The power of choice is in your hands, and as long as you successfully create an account, you are on the right track. For the purpose of this demonstration, let us delve into the Google account sign-in option. Simply be patient for a moment as the system processes. And just like that, you are granted access to this robust platform. A standout feature of Heygen AI lies in its user-friendly onboarding process. As a first-time user, following the account creation, Heygen takes the initiative to present you with a welcome video, ensuring a warm introduction to the platform. Clicking on Get Started propels you to the next phase, where a series of questions awaits your input. Don't fret, though, as these questions are designed to tailor your experience, providing a more personalized service according to your preferences. This thoughtful approach enhances the user experience and sets the stage for a seamless and enjoyable creative journey with Heygen AI. Let us delve a bit deeper into the Heygen AI platform, specifically exploring the intricacies of their credit system and pricing options. If you take a glance at the user interface, you will notice that, as a free user, you are initially provided with 1 free credit. Additionally, the platform offers demos that you can watch to get a feel for its features and capabilities. Now, let us shift our focus to the pricing structure. Currently, I am using a free account, which I will use later to provide you with a comprehensive demonstration. However, if you find the platform aligning with your needs, you might consider upgrading to one of their pro accounts. The Creator account, priced at $48, comes with 30 credits. Stepping up, the Business account, which costs $144, offers 60 credits. For those seeking the utmost customization and features, there is the Enterprise option where you can tailor your account to your specific requirements. For beginners, I recommend starting with the free account to familiarize yourself with the platform's functionality. If it meets your expectations and requirements, then you can explore the additional features and benefits offered by the Creator, Business, or Enterprise accounts. It is worth noting that the prices mentioned are already discounted. Assuming you opt for a yearly plan, if you choose a monthly subscription, costs may be relatively higher. Therefore, it is advisable to weigh the benefits and savings associated with an annual plan when considering your subscribing options. This way, you can make an informed decision based on your preferences and budget. Okay, now let us move on. Let's explore the diverse array of templates offered by Heygen AI, providing you with a plethora of options to seamlessly craft videos. The platform boasts an extensive collection of templates, ensuring that you have a wide range of choices to suit your creative needs. In addition to templates, Heygen AI incorporates avatars, including instant avatars, photo avatars, and studio avatars, allowing you to personalize your videos further. One notable feature that sets Heygen AI apart is its Script Gen AI functionality. This innovative tool simplifies the script creation process by requiring you to input your topic, after which the AI takes charge. generating a script tailored to your specifications. This feature proves especially beneficial for individuals facing creative blocks, eliminating the need to turn to external sources like ChatGPT or other AI chatbots for script assistance, as Heygen provides an all-in-one solution within its platform. Now, let us embark on a practical demonstration. Suppose we decide to create a script about Christmas using the Script Gen AI. Not only does the platform allow you to input your desired topic, but you can also customize the language and tone to align with your preferences. The Script Gen AI then generates scenes for your script, providing a structured foundation for your video. If the initial script doesn't quite meet your expectations, you have the option to revise it manually or simply click on the Regenerate button, prompting the AI to create an alternative script for you. Moreover, the platform allows for easy topic switching. For instance, if you initially chose Christmas as your theme but decide to shift gears to New Year, simple click on the Regenerate button with the updated topic will yield a new script and scenes. This flexibility ensures that you can seamlessly adapt your content creation process to align with your evolving ideas and preferences. Once you are satisfied with the generated script, a click on the Create Video button brings your vision to life effortlessly. In this section, you have the flexibility to fine-tune various elements of your video, including the script, voices, and avatars. On the left side, you can peruse a diverse selection of avatars for your video, ranging from both old to young characters. The avatars also come with an array of clothing options, allowing you to align the character's attire with the content of your script. For customization, the right side of the interface offers controls to adjust the speed and pitch of the voice according to your preferences. If the default voice doesn't suit your vision, you have the option to explore and select alternative voices by clicking and browsing through the available options. The platform extends its versatility by enabling users to change the photo avatar, offering choices like cartoon images or even iconic figures such as the Mona Lisa. Additionally, there is a unique feature called the Studio Avatar, and you can also create an AI outfit for your avatar. To accomplish this, simply choose an avatar, input the desired outfit description such as formal red gown. Wait for the system to generate the outfit in approximately 60 seconds. You can review the generated outfits and choose the one that fits your vision. If you change your mind, it is easy to swap avatars and outfits as needed. Clicking on an outfit image sets it as your avatar. And since you have multiple scenes in your video, you can opt to change the outfit for each scene, allowing for dynamic and visually engaging content. This flexibility extends to avatars as well, meaning you are not confined in using a single avatar throughout your entire video. You can seamlessly switch between various avatars to add a creative touch. Moving on, you can enhance your video by incorporating text. Clicking on the text option allows you to choose a template or add custom text to your scenes. These platforms provides extensive customization options for text, including color, size, font, and more. You can further enrich your video by adding elements like images, stickers, and icons to design the background of your avatar, enhancing the overall visual appeal. In addition to these features, the platform includes an assets section where you can upload additional content, perform screen recording, and convert text to images. Returning to the templates section, you can explore and utilize various templates depending on the theme or subject of your video. Whether it is about phones, Google, Christmas, or any other topic, Heygen AI provides templates that align with your content, simplifying the video creation process and ensuring a visually compelling outcome. By the way, you have the option to remove scenes effortlessly by clicking on the corresponding part of the video and selecting the delete option. If you wish to preview your creation, simply utilize the preview button to get a glimpse of how your avatar appears. Now, let us delve deeper into the platform's features. Upon deciding to submit your video, the platform provides a breakdown of the credits required for the specific creation. In our case, with only 1 credit available and 3 credits needed, we lack the sufficient credits. To overcome this, we will tailor the video to a shorter duration, retaining only the essential scenes. Moving forward, let us experiment with different avatars. Initially, I will upload a picture opting for a celebrity like Timothée Chalamet. After selecting the image, I will adjust the voice to match the character and make necessary modifications. Subsequently, we will explore the Studio Avatar feature to create a distinct avatar. Additionally, we will try incorporating a cartoon avatar into the mix. To meet the time constraint imposed by our remaining credit, we will edit the video to fit within 1 minute duration. This entails changing the voices for the 3 characters involved, as well as adjusting the background to enhance the visual appeal. For instance, let us choose a fireworks background to align with the script's New Year theme. Adding backgrounds to avatars significantly enhances the overall presentation. Feel free to customize the background further by adjusting its placement according to your preferences. With the video now seemingly satisfactory, we will proceed to submit it. Since our credit aligns with the adjusted duration, we can simply click on the submit button and patiently wait for approximately a minute as the platform finalizes the video. Upon completion, the video is still editable. You can refine the style, add logos, incorporate a video cover, or adjust the background further. Following these tweaks, you have the option to download the video in either 720 pixel or 1080 pixel resolution. The resulting video showcases the culmination of your creative efforts. Let us watch to it together to appreciate the final outcome.
Hello everyone and welcome to our video about the new year. As we bid farewell to the old year and embrace the new, it's a time of reflection, celebration, and fresh beginnings. In this video, we will explore the traditions, history, and significance of the new year around the world. So let's dive right in.
One of the most common ways to celebrate the new year is through fireworks. The bright colors and loud bangs in the sky symbolize the hope and excitement for the year ahead. Many cities around the world put on spectacular displays, captivating millions of people who gather to watch. From the iconic Times Square in New York to the magnificent Sydney Harbour Bridge, fireworks create a magical atmosphere and bring people together in joyous celebration.
Another important tradition associated with the new year is making resolutions. It's like a fresh start, a chance to set goals and make positive changes in our lives. Whether it's losing weight, learning a new skill, or spending more time with loved ones, these resolutions help us strive for self-improvement.
Now that you have a thorough understanding of the platform, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Considering trying it out? Share your feedback on its features and pricing in the comments. Your insights are valuable, and I am here to address any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.